Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Explorer. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.3-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights. Inside you'll find backup camera, heated steering wheel, keyless entry, rear AC, HD radio, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, premium sound system, keyless start, steering wheel audio controls. Your new ride is just a phone call away.